Good day, guys. Welcome back. We would be taking a look at our Euro JPY. We would want to see where this price will be moving for this week. So, before we get started, if you've not subscribed, please, guys, click on the subscribe button, like, and share. Now, let's get started. I would want to start this analysis from the monthly time frame, guys. So, the monthly time frame, the reason is that I want to start from the higher time frame to be able to understand the movement of this trend, and we'll analyze it from the monthly time frame down to the 4-hour time frame and know why we'll be taking such trade. Now, this is it on the monthly time frame. Let's start it from here. Food trend, we would want to know the trend of it. This trend started, around May, early 2020, though, around that April, early 2020. We'll be having this bullish move right till now. That is one of the reasons why we are seeing a bearish move on our JPY. If you take a look at the JPY, this is the daily time frame on JPY. This is it as it is dropping. Then any other currency pair we are trading to our JPY will give us a bullish move. So reason why we are having a bullish move on EURJPY. Secondly, is that I've included this moving average, which is 10 period moving average. We all know the rules of trading this 10 period moving average is that once the price is above our moving average, then we are on a bullish move, right? We have to go long. But if it is below it, we have to short it. So we can clearly see that this is a buy, right? We have to go long. So we will go like this, impulse move, upward light, right? Bullish move. Then here comes the correction. This is why we had this red. Here is higher highs which broke the previous higher highs, right, on the monthly time frame. Here is the correction. So it's reacted here. Impulse move, correction, right, reacted here. Another impulse move, right, and guess what, we had a little bit of a correction after the impulse move which reacted here. So after the movement, what else do we expect? This is why we would be going bullish again. So on this monthly time frame, we would be expecting another uptrend. Though this is the month of November, right? And we see that it is at a red. I believe that by the time this month end, it will be at the green. Thereby, price would have gone further up, would have gone up more, and it will give us kind of close, green by the way. So just still watch out for it. Euro JPY itself on the trend, we are on a bullish move. So if you want to take this trade, we have to look for a way to go long. That should now take us to the weekly time frame. So clearly we can see if you are following this channel consistently, you now see how we predicted this move. Now let's try and see this weekly time frame. This is the highs correction. If you see this highs, right, the new highs broke the previous highs. See a bullish move. New highs broke the previous highs. This highs here actually broke this previous one. Comes the correction, and a new highs was made that broke the previous highs, right? And here we had a little bit of a correction. Now that this correction is over, we are seeing this is one of the reasons why we are having this huge candlestick wick here, is that once price has dropped, it is now giving us that bullish move. So we would be expecting another bullish move, right? So the week that just finished, we actually closed red, right, with a huge candlestick wick sticking below. This week we would actually be closing green, be expecting a green candle by the way. So if price can open, you should be able to see it go up further and close green. And you can see it again, it is still above our moving average, right? As long as it is still above our moving average, then we have to look for a way to go long. That should now take us to the daily time frame on Euro JPY. So we would start this movement from here. Let's just start it from here. Let's start this movement from here. Correction, right? Here again, so a correction at this level. So it makes sense for us to have a rejection here. So we would want to go, long. This is why we actually, I think we actually, this is one of the reasons why we actually add this green candlestick close, opened and closed on this Friday, right, to kind of add this good bullish move. So we would want to see that bullish move. So if you want to place this trade, you can possibly wait for this price to break above our 10 period moving average. If that is how you place your trade, if you want to place it, if you are trading with the moving average, then you can possibly wait. Once this price roll up, it breaks above the moving average, then you can enter to go long on GBP JPY, right? Which is still not bad by the way. So we can kind of see that price has was reacted there, which came down, came here, reacted. Now that this price actually dropped, we saw it rejected by pushing up, right? This price has dropped to this level. Of course, we expect it to actually push up. So within Monday, Tuesday, we should be able to take out this highs, which I strongly believe. So from here to this highs, we still have about 170 pips to be made. At least I believe price will actually go bullish and break above it. But first of all, let's try and take out this highs, right? Within Monday, Tuesday, within 2 days, we should be able to take out this trade, right? So euro to our JPY, we are expecting a bullish move. And now, if you take a look at this JPY index, it is actually a bearish move, right? So, I mean, if you see that we are on a bearish move, then any other peers to our JPY will give us a bullish move. Now, let's see this JPY index. This is the drop, and here comes the correction. Here is the drop, correction here. You can see another drop, can take it as a pullback, and now we'll be expecting another drop. At least the drop should be able to take out this level here. At least this week, we should be expecting a drop that will take out this level. So by that time, this JPY index will be giving us that drop to come to take this level. Then we will be seeing a bullish move on our Euro JPY. That is why I said we would want to at least take out this ice on this our euro JPY. So once we can take it out, if possible price breaks above it, then fine. You can now wait for a pullback to occur. Once price has broken above this level, wait for a pullback to occur, then you enter and take this trade. So that is up to you on the second way to place the trade. Now let's see what this 4 hour time frame says, by the way. So 4 hour time frame, you can see a reaction here, right? Price came here, reacted. We saw price came to this same level again. Of course, you expect a reaction. One of the reasons why I also said we would want to take out this ice though. So euro JPY, you can consider that as a ranging market move on the 4 hour time frame if you want. So you can take here up as the resistance and down the support. So you can see price come to the resistance level, drop to the support. It went up to the resistance level again. We saw it drop to the support, and now you are seeing it roll up again. The next level we would want to see it roll up to is this resistance level. So guys, watch out. Price should be able to roll up and take our resistance level on euro JPY.